going to take the fourth exit, please. Fourth exit. Ready for this?
So we're going back on ourselves. How could you do this?
So, what comes first?
Mirrors.
Good, and then
I think we're
signal.
okay, actually.
Have a look.
We're okay.
Alright.
Look at this.
Signal's going to cancel, but you're going to put it back on. Don't give too much gas around here because you're in quite high gear. This is nice. This is control. This is what I like. And the moment we pass the exit before the one we mean, which is now, you should be mirror signalling left already. Come on now. What was that? Someone dozed off. No, it's like tomorrow, darling. It's good though. Really well done.